Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to download and install the Universal Achievement Unblocker mod for Oblivion Remastered. What is it? It's a mod that basically means that when you're using other mods or the command console, while you're playing Oblivion Remastered, it doesn't lock you out of gaining all of your achievements because you did a little cheating here and there. Like spawning items, or in a lot of cases, just fixing the game, because as much as people love the remaster, there are a lot of broken bugs in the game that are best fixed by using a few console commands to unstuck and unstick things. So to set it up, all you have to do is extract the included WinMMDLL file and place it next to the Oblivion Remastered WinXXX shipping.exe file inside of the binaries folder. There's two places that could be: either the Game Pass version, where it's in the binaries WinGDK folder, which is where I'll be putting it, or if you're looking in Steam, it'll be in binaries Windows 64 or Win64. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and download it, and we'll take a look. So the first one is the Universal Achievement Unblocker, and then the second one is the OBSE64 plugin. So I'm guessing that's Oblivion Remastered script extender. So if you have the script extender, you'll need to grab this one too, and there are instructions on how to install that down here. That's Steam only, because they don't have a version of that for the Xbox version, so I won't be showing you how to set that up here today. But you literally just put it into the OBSE plugins folder that comes with OBSE. Super easy to do. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to download the first file, the Universal Achievement Unblocker, manual download only. And I'll be putting that in my Oblivion Remastered mods folder. And then while that's downloading, let's go ahead and show you how to find where stuff is installed on your computer if you don't know how. So let's start with Steam. If you're on Steam and you're not sure how to find out where one of your games is installed, all you have to do is right-click the game, go to Manage, and then Browse Local Files. This will open up the location where that game is installed, and then you can navigate to the file that you need that's included in the instructions on the Universal Achievement Unlocker page. So similarly, if I close Steam and I open up my Xbox, I can right-click Elder Scrolls Oblivion Remastered, and I can go to Manage, and then inside of Manage is Files, and I can click Browse, and it brings up where all of my Xbox game files are installed. Then I can go to Oblivion Remastered, and then I can go into Oblivion Remastered again, binaries, WinGDK, and this is where I'm going to be putting the file that I just downloaded. So with that in mind, I'm going to go to where I just downloaded that. I'm going to extract it to a folder of the same name, and then there's only one file inside of it that I need to copy and paste, and I'm going to slap that inside of here, and then I'm done. That's all I need to do in order to get that installed. And now let's double check that there isn't anything I have to do for like launch order. And it looks like the answer is no. It should be good to go, and I'm ready to start playing my game with all of my achievements, regardless of whether or not I have used the command console in that save or not. And this will work for new saves and existing saves, so it doesn't matter. It'll restore your ability to get achievements. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. There's not really much of a point in me loading into Oblivion to showcase that this is currently installed and running. It just runs in the background, and it will allow you to get your achievements again. So I hope you found this helpful. This has been a brief look at how to install this, and to uninstall it, all you have to do is just find the mod again right here and delete it. And then that's it. It's uninstalled. Pretty simple and straightforward, but it's good to have a guide just to show you where everything is at to make it a little bit easier to understand. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. The links for all this stuff are in the video description below, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.